হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, যেই মেকানিক্যাল ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। আজকে আমি লেদ নিয়ে কিছু প্রশ্ন উত্তর তোমাদের সামনে নিয়ে এসেছি। এগুলি প্রতিটি কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামের পরীক্ষার জন্য ডিপ্লোমা হোল্ডার এবং আইটিআই হোল্ডারদের জন্য সমান গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। তো চলো শুরু করা যাক। While drilling a lathe, the drill is held in the tailstock. The headstock of the lathe is situated at the left hand end of the lathe bed. A faceplate is held at headstock spindle. The negative rack angle is generally provided on the tool made of tungsten carbide. 5 number, a lathe half center is used to face the workpiece up to the end of the center hole. Lathe bed is made of cast iron. The chip breaker on the lathe tool is essential when turning ductile materials and break the chips. Dead center is compared with the live center, bears or resist more friction. The size of 3-jaw chuck is specified by the diameter of the body of the chuck. The tool which is used to enlarge a previously drilled hole is known as boring tool. 11 number, counter boring is done for accommodating socket head screw. The sliding surface of the lathe bed are flame hardened. Cross slide in a lathe moves perpendicular to the axis rotation. A fixed steady has 3 adjustable pads. 15 number, the lead screw has acme thread. The lead screw is made of alloy steel. The size of the lathe is specified by weight of bed, diameter of work, length between center, length of the bed. Center in tailstock is called dead center. Center in headstock is called live center. 20 number question, the tailstock is used for taper turning. Accurate work can be done by the 4-jaw chuck. The included angle for the dead center is 60 degree. Mandrels are holding device for job having center bore. Lathe dogs are used to drive the work during turning between center. The following steady rest gives support just behind the cutting tool point. 26 number, to prevent the chuck from damaging the lathe guideways while mounting, place a wooden block or board on the guideways. The driving plates are used for rotating shaft between center. 28 number, use of combination chuck is used to 3-jaw chuck. Use of a hydraulic or air operated chuck, mass production. A tumbler gear unit consists of 3 gears. Lathe bed has 2 sets of V guide ways and flat ways. For setting a tool for threading, it is aligned with the work by using center gauge. 33, a 24 teeth gear is fixed at start as driver gear after completion of first start and before starting of second start. The driver gear should be turned 12 teeth. Helix angle is found on threaded workpiece. A fixed steady rest is used to support long work piece held in chuck to perform operation at the overhanging end. 36 number, the size of the center drill is selected on the basis of the diameter of the workpiece. Taps are surface treated to improve the wear resistance property. The tip of a cemented carbide tool is jointed on the shank by broaching. 39, when cutting isometric threads of quartz pitch, the compound rays should be swiveled at 30 degree. A carbide tip tool with blue marking is used on lathe. Which material can be machined with this tool? Steel. The included angle of the counter sinking portion of the center drill of type B used for protecting the center hole is 120 degree. A metric self-releasing taper is specified as ISO 80. The number indicates that the peak diameter of taper is 80 mm. While threaded cutting on a lathe by using single point tool, the moves in a path called as a helix. 44. One of the taper turning method is by offsetting the tailstock. Which part of the tailstock is offset? Body. 45. The width of the tool used to cut 10 mm pitch square thread is 5 mm. The difference in measurement between the machined and unmachined diameter is equal to 2 into depth of cut. 47. Center drilling should be done at higher RPM with a slower speed. An angular workpiece is to be forged. It should be mounted on a face plate. Scroll and gear mechanism is employed in 3-jaw chuck. 50 number question. The taper provided in a nose of the tailstock barrel is Morse taper. তো আজকে তোমাদের এই পর্যন্তই, দেখা হবে পরের ভিডিওতে। যদি তোমাদের এই ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই একটি লাইক করে দিও এবং চ্যানেলে যদি নতুন হয়ে থাকো তো চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিকে অবশ্যই প্রেস করে দিও, যাতে পরের ভিডিওর নোটিফিকেশান তোমরা খুব সহজেই পেয়ে যেতে পারো। তো দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে। থ্যাংক ইউ।